Every day I rise early to the sound of my alarm clock. I perform some yoga, do my prayers, and stretch to feel invigorated. Then I brush my teeth with my trusty toothbrush and paste. After that, I take a quick shower to refresh my senses. I wear a comfortable outfit, selecting from my colorful wardrobe. I then head to the kitchen to prepare a nutritious breakfast of cereal, milk, and juicy fruits. I sit down and savor each bite. Next, I take my backpack and go to work, feeling enthusiastic about the day ahead. I execute my duties with precision and attention, receiving praise from my boss and coworkers. I take regular breaks. In the evening, I return home and relax by reading a novel or watching a film. I then cook a delectable dinner, trying out new recipes and ingredients. I dine with my family, exchanging stories and giggles, feeling blessed. Finally, I retire to bed, feeling tired but content, ready for another productive day tomorrow.